Old t-shirts usually find their way or make their way towards the dustbin. Nevertheless, if you do not want them to land in the dustbin, you can make use of it in different ways. I have one way which I am trying for the first time. Have a look at it. Let me know what do you have to say about it. This is the t-shirt that did not find its way towards the dustbin as yet. Basically, this is an old t-shirt which I need to throw away, and what I'm going to do with this is I'll need a pair of scissors for this. So from the end, the bottom side of the t-shirt, I will start cutting it into fat strands. I have not tried this before, but I would prefer cutting it into fatter strands in this way. And I'll do this till I have covered the full length of the uh, t-shirt. So here I'll just get this on a fast forward mode so that I'm not wasting your time. And once you're done cutting through this, just ensure when you're cutting you are not cutting the t-shirt full. You're cutting it only up till the bottom end of the sleeve. If you're going to cut it full, there's not going to be any use left of this, so it's only up till the bottom end of the sleeve horizontally. Till that level you'll cut. Now basically what I'm doing, the side parts of the t-shirt, I'm just splitting it into two because it's going to be very big here in this way, and we're done stranding it at the ends. So this is the wiper, and what I'm going to do is on the sleeve end, how you would put your t-shirt on the hanger, you just put it the same way on the wiper, the t-shirt. And this I'm showing you in the dry way, so it will not be difficult to show you when it is wet. And there, this is just dry wiping. I'll just show you once it's wet. I'll just dip this t-shirt in water and I'll squeeze it out well here. And now I'll show you exactly how it works. Squeeze out the water well so that if someone's walking around or something, if you have a kid running, they may not slip and fall off here. In the same way what I showed you, just move your wiper in the same way how you would hang your t-shirt on the hanger here. And then basically I'll show you how you'll go about wiping there. Now the benefit of stranding the t-shirt in this way would be it would reach places which you wouldn't be able to push the full cloth into. And if you notice while cleaning, it's covering a larger area. However, if you put a straight cloth on the wiper to clean it in this way, mop it in this way, it will just cover how much area is there of the wiper. It wouldn't spread. That's why stranding makes the area to be covered in a larger sense, a larger manner. So let me know what you have to say about this. Like every other hack that I share, I sincerely hope this hack also is going to come in use to someone else out there. This was just a trial because I wanted to see what is the effect going to be. Is it going to be really worth it? And well, mopping with it was much more easier because the t-shirt was lighter to move it around. And the best part is because of stranding of the t-shirt in this way, What actually happened is I could spread it on a larger area, as you saw it that I showed in the example while mopping. So friends, for those of you all who have flooring in this way, tiled flooring, which you all need to mop once in a while, please do make use of it. If you do not have any professional kind of mopping, try this method, try this hack, and let me know what was your experience regarding it. For those of you all who have not yet subscribed to my channel, it's a sincere request. Please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to click on the notification bell icon that you see besides the subscribe button to get updates on all my upcoming videos regarding hacks. And if any of you all would love to share your hacks on our video, please do send us an email, or you can message us in the comment section, and we'll ensure to share your hacks on our video mentioning your name against it. I'll see you in another episode of How.